doesn't. Driving normal, no bumps. Comes back on. I don't know if it's the antenna, if it starts whipping around. I have no clue. Off again. That's when I take off. It could have something to do with that freaking antenna. I'm gonna see when I stop at the next stop sign or light. If that thing stops wiggling, then it comes back on. I don't know, man. I'll show you this video when I show up on Friday. But again, I'm not touching any controls, nothing. I'm just driving. And there it goes. It comes back on. Some kind of a loose connection somewhere. It happens all over Stanford. It's not just on. There it goes again. It goes off. It's almost like a loose connection. I have no clue, but this thing is sensitive. It bounces back and forth from audio on and off.
You wake up tomorrow morning, Chaz and AJ will be 6 pots of coffee into their day.
So do me a favor, try to fix this. It's been going on for about a month and a half, and it's frustrating, bro. This thing only has 730 miles on it, and this radio does whatever it wants. Now, the navigation, air conditioning, everything works. There it goes. It goes back on. Up, there it goes back off. And back on. And this is 95.9. It's not XM or nothing. It's just regular FM radio. No Bluetooth is hooked up. My phone is not hooked up. And there it goes again. It's off. I hope this happens when it comes to the shop and you guys can figure out what it is and get it fixed.